Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Is it just a myth or it's a fact? This is just a myth. Well, fear not, habitual knuckle crackers, for science is here to ease your worries. Despite what your grandma might have said, cracking your knuckles doesn't lead to arthritis. In fact, research has shown that those satisfying pops are just harmless gas bubbles escaping from your joints. So go ahead, indulge in that satisfying crackle, just maybe spare your friends and family the sound effects. If you liked this video, subscribe for more.